Hello dear viewers, I am Shadab Imam and this is my channel Lucky's Junior. In this channel we learn the basic concepts of mathematics that we learn in school. And now we are continuing with our number system, and to be precise we are going to learn the Indian number system for a 7-digit number. In our previous class we have seen the Indian number system for 5-digit number. So if you have not watched that, please go and watch that video. Now let us see. To understand this, let us take a 7-digit number. So let us take this number. I have taken this 7-digit number. So first I'll write these numbers in bold letters so that it can be easily visible. Now as you can see, as the number of digits increases, it becomes difficult for the student to read the number correctly. Now to make it easier, we use the Indian number system and we separate these numbers with commas. Now the question arises, where do we put commas? Now to understand that, let us first see the place values of these numbers. So starting from 8, 8 is at ones place, 9 is at tens place, 6 is at hundreds place, 2 is at thousands place, 3 is at 10,000s place, 5 is at lakhs place, and 4 is at 10 lakhs place. So what we do is we make certain groups. So the first group we make is of ones, tens and hundreds. So these three will make one group, which is called hundreds group, and the next is thousands group. So 1000 and 10,000 will make one group, and this is called thousands group, and then this lakh and 10 lakh, this will make one group and it is called lakhs group. Now what we do is we will insert the comma between each of these groups. So the first group is 100 groups, which is from ones, tens and 100, and the next group is 1000 and 10,000. So we will insert the comma between hundreds place and thousands place, and like this we have another separation, that is between thousands group, that is between 1000 and 10,000, and the lakhs group, that is between lakh and 10 lakh. So we will insert the comma between these two groups, that is between this 10,000 place and lakhs place. So between here we will insert a comma. So let us do that. So now we have inserted the comma between these groups. So the first group here is the hundreds group, which consists of ones, tens and 100, and the second group is of thousands group, which contains two digits, that is 1000 and 10,000, and the third group we have is of lakhs group, which consists of lakhs and 10 lakh. Now this becomes very easy to read the number. Now suppose we can easily read that this is 45 lakhs 32,698, and we write this number in the Indian number system as 45, 32, 698, and we can easily read this number as 45 lakhs 32,698. Isn't it easy now to read the number? So let us quickly do some examples here. So I have some 7-digit numbers here. Let us solve this. Let us see this first number. So the hundreds group is from 196, that is 6 is at ones place, 9 is at tens place and 1 is at hundreds place. And the second group is thousands group. So 3 is at 10,000s place, 7 is at thousands place. So we will insert comma between hundreds place and thousands place. So we will insert comma between 7 and 1. Similarly, we will insert comma between 10,000s place and lakhs place. So we will insert comma between 8 and 3. So let us write this number here. The number will be 28 lakhs 37,196. Isn't it easy now? Let us see the next example. Here we have hundreds place here 4 is at hundreds place, and 8 is at thousands place. So we will insert the comma between hundreds place and thousands place. Similarly, we have 3 at the 10,000s place and 0 at the lakhs place. So we will insert comma between these two. Let us write there. So this will be 70 lakhs 38,472. Now let us move on to the third example. Here we have 5 at the hundreds place and 9 at the thousands place. So we will insert comma between these two, and we have 7 at 10,000s place and 0 at lakhs place. So we will again insert a comma between them. So let us write it. This will be 90 lakhs 79,571. See how simple it is. Let us move on to the next example. Here we have 5 at the hundreds place and 8 at the thousands place. So we will insert the comma between them. Similarly, we have 3 at the 10,000s place and 7 at the lakhs place. So we will insert the comma here also. So let us do this. This will be 47 lakhs 38,501. And our last example, let us see this. Here 3 is at hundreds place, 9 is at thousands place. So we will insert a comma here. Similarly, 2 is at 10,000s place and 0 is at lakhs place. So we will insert a comma here. And our number will be 10 lakhs 29,384. See how easy it is to read this number when we use the commas. So that's why we use the Indian number system to make the number appear more simple when we read the numbers. So that's it for today's class. Thank you very much. Have a nice